Hi, all myself Disha Rathi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share how you can make advanced websites for your business. Website building, really it sounds strange for you guys. Like if you are thinking that you don't have any graphic designing experience and you are struggling out how to make the website designing, you don't have any coding knowledge, then how you can build a website. So this video is for you. In this video, I am going to share you some tips and tricks how you can make easily without having any knowledge of graphic designing or the coding. Very easily website you can create at your own pace. So this video can be very useful for you guys if you really want to build an advanced level of website for your business. In this video, we will create website using all the Google tools like Google Sites, Google Forms, Google Sheets, Google Spreadsheets, Google Docs and many more functions what Google is offering to you. Google is very reputed and the branded company, as all of you know. That's why it's really very easy to integrate and very safe to use for your business. Yes, you can collaborate Google Sites to your own domain. In future, I'll show you how to collaborate your own domain to the Google Sites also. For now, if you're just starting up your business, so you can create your websites freely in the Google Sites. Do watch my video till end. It will be very useful for you guys. Video length can be, I cannot say the video length, how long it will go. But the thing is, make sure to watch my complete video so that you will gain full access, full tips and tricks. All things I'm going to share you in this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you really like my efforts of making the videos. So let's get started to practical.
So in this tutorial, I'm going to share how you can make advanced websites for your business. So if you have not gone through my previous video of the Google websites, then click the I button above, or I'll put the link in the description box so you can go through that videos too. But no issues, I'm going to cover all the points in this video from start to end. Everything I'm going to cover. So get started. Just type sites.google.com in the URL. Make sure you have logged in through your Gmail ID here. Click on the blank project here. I'm just clicking on the plus icon. We are going to start it from the scratch. That's why I'm clicking the plus icon. Okay. So your site have been loaded. Just close any pop-ups if you are getting here. Here on the top you will see Untitled Site. This is the site name that you can give to your website. Suppose now today my topic is we will create a website for the a college, suppose our college. Okay, so I'll give any college website. This is a dummy website what I'm sharing with you guys. That's why you name anything that your category is. So here you can see on the top automatically the title bar and the background image will be loaded. You can change this layout too. Okay, it is known as a header. So here you can select the header type. So in this you will get the 4 types: cover, larger banner, banner, title only. Currently it is selected to the banner. Okay, so we will see one by one. In the cover, see, the cover page have been created. If you want the large banner, then it will create the large banner. So there is not that much difference between the banner and the large banner. Large banner, it will just increase the length, you can say, of the banner itself. So if you want the full page banner to be loaded, so you select the large banner, or simply if you want the shorter banner, you can select the banner. Title only, if you don't want to show any banner, so you can select the title only. So this is the way you can select the header type. If you don't want any header type, simply you can delete it from here. For now, for this website, I will select by default banner because it looks good to your website. Now, if you want to change the image, you can change it from here. Just click on this tab. You can upload the image from your computer, or you can select the image from the gallery. So we will see both the options. to change the background image from this website home page. So you can change this image from this particular menu. You have two options to upload it from your computer, or you can select the image. So you can do anything which is whatever is comfortable to you. So in the selecting image, they see Google is offering so many options to you. It is offering the ready-made galleries to you. You can select pick any image from this Google's gallery itself. See, these images have been uploaded by Google itself. So these are the copyrighted free. So you can use them as it is. Okay. Or if you find any good URL, or if you have a good URL, you can paste the image URL here. You have the search function here. This is the Google search function, Google image search function. You can see it have been integrated in this only. So no need to go in the Google in the new tab of the Google and find the images. So Google have given the functionality of searching the image in this Google search engine here itself. So I'll give you example like this is nothing but a Google search engine which is built inside the Google site. You don't have to type or you don't have to open another Google window and search the images and download the images and then upload the images. So all the steps have been reduced because of this function. I really like the Google search function what Google is offering. So here we will see the random images. Suppose we are building a website for the colleges, so we will select college campuses, suppose, and we will click on the search. So see, these results are from the Google searches directly. Okay, Google image search. So here you can select the type, the filter like face, photo, clip art, line drawing, any of the type, or you want some particular colors. So you can select it from the galleries. See, Google is offering so many different functionalities from here. Okay, I selected the red one, so I have to find all the images of the red in the red campuses and the red red t-shirts and wearing the students and all. So randomly it is giving us any of the image, whatever you like, whatever your theme is, according to that you can select. In the yellow one, it has been given, see, this is the yellow one. So these things I really like from the Google. So better you just select the full color if you want any of the color website. So you can select, suppose this I have selected, just click on this and click on this select button. So this image have been loaded. You don't have to do anything about it. You don't have to save the image and then upload them. So this is the benefit of the Google search. So you can paste your title here. Suppose now I don't like this background, I want to change it. So again you can change the image from here. Select the change image and again go to the select image, and you can select any other image from the Google's gallery or anything else you want. Okay, so for an example I'll select this, so you can see. Okay, this has been done. It will adjust automatically according to your requirement. Now suppose I have uploaded the image. Now I thought I have to change the banner type. So again you can select the large. So see, you can can you see the difference of the image? Large banner haven't updated it. Okay. So cover, in the cover, this is the cover page. Okay. So I will take it to the banner itself. So here you can see the option that adjust readability or remove the reliability. What is this? So you can see like after highlighted, after clicking this icon, so my image is loading as it is. Okay, whatever the brightness or contrast of the image it is having, it is loading as it is. If you don't want this readability, so you can just click on here. So can you see a bit of darker shade have been come up to your image, so that your highlighted text would get more highlighted. Okay. We will type any text here. Suppose college. Example. So and you can see the difference. Okay, so this is the advantage of the what is the readability and all text what Google is. You all are familiar with the header type, all the changes and all you have done properly. Now if you want to see the preview of this, so here is the option of the preview on the top, you can see. So just click on here and check the preview of the website that we have done properly. Okay, so you can change the mode. It is showing on the large screen, on the iPads or tablets it will show like this, on the mobile it will show like this. Okay, so you can check the preview from here, close it if you don't want to see it again. So it will come back to your editor. So you can add the header. So if by chance you have removed this header, it have been deleted from here. So how to add the header? And in this video I'll show you how to add the footer. So here it on the top it is asking you for the add the header, and if you scroll to the bottom it will ask the add the footer. So before starting any website you have to add the header first and the footer first. Okay, so in the header you just click on the header. See again that header have been come up, and we can redesign it again as you want. Again I'll redesign it. I'll select it from the gallery and I'll select any of the photo that I want. Suppose I'll select the plain background now. I will not select any another one. So this really I like I like this background, that's why I'm using this again. And here again we will type any text. Just double click on this and load. Okay, it's been loaded here. And here you can type, suppose I want to type college campus or college campus here. Okay, so likewise I want to make it bold, so I can do it bold. So see, I have added the header. Now how to add the footer? Simply click on the add a footer, and whatever footer you have to add, you can add it here. Like suppose I will add some terms and conditions. Then I want to add some, suppose, privacy policies. Then I want to add some about us page here. Okay, now I want to give any footer that you want. Just likewise whatever according to your company you can add in here, but make sure you have to add the terms, conditions and privacy policies to your footer area. It's really very important. On the top you can add in home, suppose. Again, if you want to jump on the home page, many more things you can add in the footer likewise. Okay, so again we will add here address. Suppose we want to add in address. So how I'll add the address? I'll take one more text box here, select the text box here, and I will type the suppose address field here, and I'll tap any of the address, suppose 90634. Anything dummy, I'm just typing plot 55 Navi Mumbai. Okay, and I would type here contact us on this number. Okay, suppose whatever text you have to add, website www. Any website that you want to add in. Suppose I'm typing my own website, disharathi.com. Okay, so see, you can check the URL of the website. It's the text automatically have been converted to the blue one and the underlined one. So anybody would click here, they would jump to my website or any of the website. Or if you want to make jump to the self website, you can add in this website itself. This step is completely optional. Usually I don't type any website name and all in the footer, because customers are on that particular website itself. But still, if you want to them recognize that this is the website, this is our website, this is our website, so backlinks have been created and many more times. It's very easily to customers can find. Okay, So suppose now I want all of them in the center line, so I would just click on the center tab. Sorry, I have not selected the text. So suppose I've selected all and I want all of them in a center. So this is you can make in a center. If you want to make it in bold, you can add it in the bold in this. Again, I want Again, I want all of them in a center tab. So again, alignments to the center tab. You can do it here itself. Okay, I am not going to do them in a center. I will keep it here itself. So in this way, you can design your footer. Now suppose you want to add some color section backgrounds here, so you can select this one from here. This is a color palette. So here you will find many more options. Again, you can select the images, you can select the emphasis. The emphasis, so you can see the gray colored automatically emphasis have been created in a footer. So this is what we usually do on every of the website in the background, because if you would add some color to the footer, emphasis colors, so it would differentiate from your main content and the footer area. It would be differentiated. So that's why it's very good practice to add any emphasis part here. So you would have the emphasis 2, emphasis 1. So in the emphasis 2, you can see it's been created by default. It took the blue color. Okay. And so likewise, you can add the emphasis. This I'll show you how to add some content in between the this can say header and this is a footer area. So this is the body of your website. So here is the main area and the main things what you are going to show to your customers. Okay. So here we will add text box. We will add images. We can share the things from the drive. We can add the layout here. So we will see one by one how to do that. Okay. So we will design this website from the start, and it will take some time to design. So I hope you guys are designing this website with me itself, so that it would be very it will be understanding to you very gratefully. So let's get started. Now for this section, I want images section like this, suppose. So I have selected this layout. Okay. I want to show some two kind of images with the text here. Again, before it, I will first what I'll do, I'll design the layouts here, what I want to show to my customers. So I will design the layout. So after this layout, I will select suppose a collapsible text here. Okay, I'll show you how to update the collapsible text and what is collapsible text afterwards. Just I'll add whatever things I want to design to my website here. Okay, I'll place a divider here just to segregate the things here, or you can delete if you don't want to show the divider. Okay, then I'll show you how to add some docs or slide sheets, forms, charts, everything you can add. This maps, calendars, YouTube, these all of them are the Google functions. So whatever, it depends on your niche, which website you are building, whatever you have to add, you can add it. If you want to show Google Maps on the front of the page, or you are building the one page website, then it's better to show the Google Maps. If you want, I hope you have checked my video of the Google My Business. If you have not checked, click the I button or the link I have shared in the description box too. So in the Google Maps, I hope you are familiar with the Google Maps. So customer can easily find your business address through the Google Maps. Google Docs, this is a Google Docs function. Whatever the document you have created, you can share it here. Similarly, you can share the slides, you can share the sheet, you can share the forms, you can share the chart. Okay, so one by one we will see here. I'll add some more one more layout here, like suppose this. I like the layout. Okay, so this is what I'm going to add in here. Again, I'll add some text here. Text box. I will write your testimonials. Okay, and in the testimonials, I will select this kind of images, like suppose 3 testimonials of people, and after testimonials, I'll update. Suppose one more text I'm going to add. Find us or find our location here. Okay, I'll just deselect it and I'll add a map here. So you can add the map here. So to add the map, just click on the maps and you can find the location here. Enter your location. Suppose I will type a location in Vashi, Navi Mumbai. You can add your own location, what you want to just share here. Okay, so I have added this location. So you can see Google Maps have been loaded. You can drag and drop or drag the maps to the full page layout or whatever you want. So you can see I've done it. So I'll stretch it more on the full page. Wait, that's it. Okay. So likewise, you can add a map easily. Okay. Now again, I'm going to add a text here, and I'll type the contact us here, and here we will integrate the contact us contact form. So I'll show you how to update the contact form afterwards. So this is the basic layout what we have created for our website. Now it's time to add in the content of the website. Just one by one, you just add here something like I'll show you one by one how to add in images and text. Then we will get back again. So to add the images, just click on the plus icon here. Clicking the plus icon, again it will ask. You can upload directly your videos to the YouTube channel, or you can upload from your PC, or you can select any image from here. Okay, again I'm selecting the images from the Google image searches. Google image searches, I will type suppose college campus images. Suppose I'll select this image for my business. So wait for a minute. This image is loaded. Again, I want some more image. I'll select the image. I'll select the Google My Search. Google Image Search. Google. Oh, sorry. It's college campus. Again, I'll select any of the good-looking campus here. So you can see how easily it is inserting here, and there is no need to do any resizing of the images or cropping the images and all the stuff. You just simply drag and drop it here, not even drag and drop. You can search directly on the Google, or if you have your own images, then you have to you can add in. They will be easily easily collapsible to the size, and it looks really very professional. So here I can see this much gap. I don't like the gap here, so I can place a divider here, or you can add in some text box here. So see, you can see I have added the text box, and here suppose I would type any visit, or I can say admission open for 2021. Okay. Contact us. For more details on. This is my whatever the phone number you can put. or you can put any website. So select the text, make it in a bold and place it in a center. So likewise you can add in some text here. Okay. Now suppose I want to change the background of this, and simply select from this section background, and you can I will add the emphasis to here. So you can see the emphasis to have been added, so that the text is getting highlighted here. Okay. Now this is it. Here click the section. Here you just add any text, college 1. Type junior college. You can type senior college. What is happening to my keyboard? Senior college. Okay. Again, you can do it bold. You can do it in a bold or italic or whatever things you have. So in this way, this layout have been. Now this is a collapsible text. So what is this? Collapsible text is that if anybody would click on this arrow, then it will see the below down section. So likewise, suppose I'll type any dummy like college for whatever facilities we have. Like we have suppose branches of the engineering. Okay, this is engineering. So here this is my main area, engineering. And in the collapsible text, if anybody would click on the engineering, so they will find the branches. So you can write the branches here like computer science, electrical, mechanics, or any other branch like textile. Okay, you can add in according to your niche. Just select it, and I would add this bulleted points here, and I would make this bold. Okay, and just click on any of the script. Again, I would add one more collapsible text here. So just select here in and add in the collapsible text. So you can see one more collapsible text have been added here. Other facilities, other department, whatever you have in your college, like engineering we have, or any other like suppose arts and commerce. Add in here BCA, BBA, suppose anything. Okay. Add the review buttons, make it bullet. Click on the text. So this you can check that if anybody would click on the engineering, then they can see the branches here if they want to see the branches. If anybody would click on the art and commerce, and if they can click here and they can see the branches here. So you can add anything in the collapsible text according to your niche herein. So it's very useful, and collapsible text I really find very helpful for the people. You can check the preview mode. You will see in the preview mode itself. So you can see the website in this preview mode in the large screen. I can see it like that. So check this. Okay. So if anybody would click on here, they will see the branches. If anybody will click on here, they will see the branches. Like this. This is a benefit of the collapsible text here. Even in the mobile screen, you can check here. The collapsible text is coming very, designing is really very smoothly what Google site is offering to you. No need to do any extra additions, or no need to do it mobile friendly, and everything gets ready within few clicks. So close the preview. Come back to here. And so I hope you remember this collapsible text I have added to this collapsible text function here. Again, this is the what layout I have selected. Suppose I want to add any of the images that is showing the performance like in the gatherings or any events. So college events sample. I'm just searching. This is what I want to select the photo. You can insert it. Okay. So our student, you can add in any XYZ text that you want to add in here, likewise. Okay. Now in the testimonial field, again, I want to make it not a normal text. I can change it to the subheading to get them a bigger one. If you want more big, you can select the title. In the title, you can check the size of this is gone very bigger. You can select the heading if you want a normal size. So according to your designing, you just select. I'm selecting the title here. I'll select the text, make it in a bold. Again, I'm aligning them in a center to look it great. Okay. Again, you can change the color of the section background from here. You can upload any background image from this function or emphasis too. Okay, I will add the emphasis one here in the testimony. Okay. Now, just add the 3 images and the text here, 3 images and the text here. Again, whatever to look your website beautiful, you can collect the good images and quality text here to add in here. So I hope now no need to show you how to do this. You do it practically. I'll get you back after uploading this thing. So like this, you can upload your own images and the text here. Now suppose here you don't want this extra text to the bottom here, so simply click on this thing and click the delete. You can simply click here and delete it to add to delete the particular section. Okay. So likewise, I hope you got the point how to create the basic designing of the website. Now the important point is how to create the menu bar. So to create the menu bar, just click on the pages here. In the pages, you can see the home page is already created. This is the home page what we were designing today. So you can add new pages from here to click this button plus icon and click here. Suppose we will add the new page known as About Us. Just click on the done. You can see About Us page have been created. So likewise, you can create the menu bar very easily. Click the plus icon. You can click the suppose testimonials or the you can services. Likewise, you can create any of the pages here and contact us. Okay. So like this, you can create the menu bar. Now, if you want to update the About Us page, you simply click here on the About Us. So this About Us page will come up here. Again, click on this Insert tab. In this Insert tab, again the same thing which I taught you. You can add some text from here. You can add in some images, or you can select the layout, whatever you want to add in here. So here you can add in some About Us text here, About Us like this. Again, you can add some images and the text likewise. Again, however bigger you want. Okay, next thing is a theme. Themes you can select. What is a theme? You can see the by default theme is it have been created the blue one. You can click the pink one, so you can see the emphasis and all color have been changed to the pink here. If you want green, if you want it purple, if you want it black, you can select it according to your niche or your logo colors or how designing you want. Okay, so by changing the theme, it will see you can check this font having changed to the pink color. If you want some particular font style here, so you can click on here and you can select the classic or the heavy. So in the heavy, all the things you can check this text have been gone to the bold automatically. Okay, so like this you can select the theme, You can select some more themes from here itself. You can just do trial and taste everything here. Don't worry, don't hesitate to add in anything. It will not scratch and it will not do any don't scare to do the testings and adding some things here before uploading before creating your website. So like this, you can check on the services page to automatically your footer emphasis color have been changed. In the home page also your theme have been changed. The emphasis wherever we have added this been changed to the colors, to the pink one. And you can see the text have automatically changed to the pink and all the text have been turned to the bold by default. Okay, so this is the importance of the theme. Next is how to add in the contact form to your website. So to add the contact form, you can click the contact us page, and before adding any of the contact forms here, you have to generate the contact form here from the Google Forms. So I'll show you how. So create the contact form. You have to type Google Forms in the Google and click here Google Forms free online survey, or you can click directly this link Google Form create. Just create here the Google Form. Make sure before creating the Google Form you have been signed in to your Gmail ID again. So you can create the personal form. Click the go to Google Forms here. So you can see the Google Form have been created. So here you will be having the many of the templates ready-made forms here. You can select it from here itself, or you can create the blank form here. So as we need the contact form, so I'll select this template contact information from here itself. Select this form. So you can see this contact form have been uploaded here. So in this Google Form, it will be having two tabs like in questions and the responses. Okay. Currently it is showing 0 response received because nobody have been replied to you through this Google Forms and nobody have been registered to your website. If anybody would fill their personal information here, name, email, address, whatever things you want from the customers, then all the responses would be get recorded in the responses tab. So you can check your responses in your Gmail inbox too, or you can check the responses here too. So this thing I really love from the Google Forms, that no need to suppose your Gmail inbox is getting full or anything is getting like you cannot read the mails and all. So you just come up here and go in the responses button and check how many people have been responded to you through the Google Forms. So here you can update the Google Forms again. It is having very easy to update the Google Forms here. Just click here if you want to change the text here. Form description here you can now here it is asking the name field here. Second is the email field here. So we are taking the email from the customer, we are taking the address from the customer, we are taking the phone numbers and the comments from the customer. So according what information you want from the customer, you just create them. Suppose I don't want to take address, just click on the address field, just click the delete tab here. See, item deleted. Automatically that item would be get deleted because I don't want the address of the customers here. Okay. Now here you can see after name it is showing us the red symbol. Red symbol means it is the mandatory field. So how to remove the mandatory field from the forms? From this button required. If you off this button and click on anywhere else in the form, so you can see the red asterisk mark having gone because it's not mandatory. If you really want to take the name, so just on this button and click anywhere else on the form and check. So when a person will fill the form, the name thing is the mandatory, because if you want to get them the name of the person, then make sure to make it mandatory. Okay. So in the same way, email thing we have done the mandatory, because if you want to send them newsletters or contact them through the email, then make sure email field is mandatory here. In the same way, if you want to contact them on a phone, But see, the phone numbers usually somebody don't share their phones to the online forms and all. That's why don't make it mandatory. According to me, it's my suggestion. And the last thing in the comments, suppose if you want do not want the comments, or you can ask your questions, you can put any of the text here. Okay, so likewise you can update the fields here. Now suppose if you want to add any other thing here, like suppose name, this is a here I will edit this as a first name. Okay, and if you want to put a last name here also, here below this, so this blue bar it will be here, so click on this and click the plus icon here. So after that you can see after the blue bar and before the email the another field have been created. So you can ask the question like suppose last name. Okay, and this is not required field, so I would keep it off. This have been created here. Okay, so click anywhere else on the screen, so you can see first name last name fields have been created easily. So in this way you can make your form, you can duplicate the fields from here. Suppose you want to duplicate it, you will simply click on the duplicate, see the first name have been duplicated here. So with all the functionalities, if you don't want, just delete it from here. Okay, so likewise you just create the form according to your needs and according to what information you want to take it from the customer. So after creating it, you will see what to do. So in this way you have created the form here, and suppose you want to change the theme, to simply background color of this gray to another one, simply click on the customize theme and select the background color whatever you want to add in, or you can select the background color from this one also area, or you can select it from this basic gray color. So like this you can change the themes also to your form. So we'll see how to integrate this form to website of this college website. Click on the send button here. After clicking on the send, you can collect email addresses. If you click the collect, so it will collect all the email addresses here, email to whatever you want to send to. You can add the collaborators here too. You can email this form to whoever you want to add it. So likewise you can send this form to the email list here. Suppose you want to send this form to one of your friends' mail, so just type here the mail options, or you can see the links, you can share these links here directly. You can shorten the URL from here, forms.google.com, and you can share these links from this to with your wherever you want to send the form. Okay, now this contact form, after clicking on the send button, it will be automatically, you can see the text here all changes saved in the drive. So in your whatever login ID, Gmail IDs, login this contact information form have been saved. So I will rename it to suppose college website form. Okay, so that it would be get easy to understand. So this form have been saved to my drive. Now come back to our website here and click on the area where you want the form here. So click from this insert the form thing. Okay, now the forms will be uploaded automatically from the drive whatever you have pressed. So you can see the college website form is opened up here. Automatically it will come. You can select this, double click on it, or simply click on the form and click on the insert button tab. Close this form. So you can see this whatever form we have created, this form have been uploaded. You can change the size, you can drag and drop, you can do it in the middle, or whatever thing you have to do, you can do it likewise. Suppose I would change it to full size window form, so you can do it from here likewise. So your contact information form have been created here easily. You can preview them. We will preview the contact form. So this is the mobile preview. Here you can see like that, and in the iPad it would look like this. In the mobile windows, larger windows, it will look like that. Okay. So in this way, you can integrate the Google Forms to your website. You can add in the Google Forms easily. Type the drive.google.com on the URL, and this will open your drive here. Make sure you are logged into your Gmail ID properly, and here I will create the new folder here by creating a new. I will create a folder. Suppose I am creating the folder in the name of the college, 4th number folder. I want college, suppose newsletter. Okay, I would click on the create. The 4th number folder have been created. So double click on this folder, whatever created. Now you can add in, suppose Google Docs here, Google Sheets, Google Slides, these all tutorials I have been shared with my all the YouTube series I have launched a lot of. So you can check all of them here. So I'm just creating the scratch here. Suppose you can update the PDF files, have to update the PDF newsletters you have designed and you will share in the Google. Suppose it's a document I have created. Suppose this is a test document I have created. I will click and this is saving, auto saving. Okay. Now suppose I have to convert this document to PDF version. So I would click on the download to the PDF version, and I'll save this PDF and upload. So see, this test PDF have been downloaded to my website and it is automatically created in this version. So if you want to share the docs, you can share the docs. If you want to share the PDFs, you can share the PDFs. Simply drag and just drop here, PDF here. So whatever text content you will write in the PDF brochures and in anything you want to share with your customers or clients, you can do it here. So likewise, I have created the PDF file here. So go in here and search for the drive here. On the top, you will find this drive function, and in the drive, my drive will come here. So click on the my drive. Here find the folder you just create college newsletter, and here you can find both the documents like Google Docs or the test PDF files. Suppose I want to share the PDF file with my customers, so you can select this here. This PDF file would become here directly. Okay, so customers can read the profile here, check the newsletters and anything from here directly. So if you want to add the text here, you can add in some text. Read newsletters. Yeah. Okay. So you can add many of the PDF file or many of the documents here. Again, if you want to share the docs here directly, you can click on the docs also from here. So in the docs, it will ask you for the recent document that you made. That is a test doc. We have made it, and click on the insert. So see, this doc will be uploaded here. Okay. So likewise, you can upload the things from the. You can use the many of the Google features to create your website. So I hope all things and all points I have covered here. We have created. Finally, we will see how to publish the website, and we will check this website again before publishing on the previous one. So this is my home page of the website. We have created the header, we have created the footer, we have added the emphasis, we have created the images, text. Again, we have added the collapsible text here. Likewise, you can check how to add that again. So we have added again image and this layout here, testimonials. You can add some of your student photos and testimonials and whatever things you have to add. How to add the Google Maps here on the first page we have added. You can add in maps on the contact page too. Okay. So next page we have designed is about us page. In the about us page, same way we have created the things. On the services page, what we have designed the how to upload the PDF and the doc version here to take from the customer. As it is my document is blank, that's why it is not showing anything. If you will write anything here, automatically that will be seen here directly on the document. Okay, as my PDF is also blank, that's why it is showing the blank version here. You can make a good cover photo and you can display the cover image here whatever the things and designing you can do from your side. Again here we have created the contact us page. Here I have shown how you can add in the contact us form, how you can create the forms to the Google Forms and everything. So currently and this you can see on the last, the search bar is come up here directly from the Google. Currently it is unavailable in the preview version. When you will publish your website, so automatically it will display to the customer, so they can search your products or services or whatever the things they want to search from here to that. And again Google is offering you the advanced search option here. So I'll close the preview mode and now I'll show you how to publish your website. To publish your website, simply click on the publish tab here and you have to type any web address that you want here. Okay, so web address you can type. See, now it's common for all of the anybody is making the Google site, so that's why it is common. So check the variants what is available here on the Google sites, because domain name would be your this sites.google.com/pro and / your particular website name would be here. If you want your custom domain, then you can find the custom domain from here. Just click on the manage thing, and after clicking whatever Google is instruction is giving you, you can follow that. This thing I am not going to cover in this tutorial. I'll cover it in the another tutorial. So you can manage the who can view anyone, or you can manage it with your teamwork, or you can add some mail IDs here with whom you want to share this form. Okay, so likewise you can manage. So for the we will see the web addresses here now. See, let's check what is available for this particular site. Suppose this is my college website, so I'll type colleges. So yeah, it's available. Okay, so my domain will be sites.google.com/view/colleges, and you can tick mark this request public search engines do not display my site. If you don't want to display your site, you can click here, so it will not display because this site is in a progress mode. So you can select it from here. After completing the designing and the uploading and updating the documents, you can make it live just by unclicking here. Okay, so this website better you just don't select this. If your things have been ready, then just unclick this and click on the publish tab. So your website is publishing. Yes, now your website is live. So this is a website what we made. This is a live URL. If I'll share this URL with anybody, then you can check this particular website here easily. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked the video, and video length gone so much long. And if you really like my efforts, so please like the video. Don't forget to share my video with your friends, colleagues, or whoever who you find that video is helpful. Thank you for liking the video, sharing my channel, and listening to me so much long time. So stay safe, stay healthy, be happy, and before going out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.